Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your artist page on KKBOX. I recorded the process while updating my own page, and I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along and do the same for your own artist page. Let's get started. First, I opened my browser and searched for Managing KKBOX Artist Page. From the search results, I selected the official support page titled Managing KKBOX Artist Page. You don't need to search for this yourself. I've included the direct link in the video description. Once on the page, KKBOX lists different things you can update on an artist profile. For this tutorial, the focus is on updating the profile picture and the artist biography. To check the profile picture requirements, I clicked on How to Update the Photo on the artist page. KKBOX explains that to update an artist photo, you need to send the artist name and the artist page URL along with the image file to contentupload@kkbox.com. The image must be square between 1000 by 1000 and 3000 by 3000 pixels in JPG or PNG format, RGB color mode, and at least 72 dpi with 300 dpi preferred. At the time of submitting the request, the image I used met all these requirements. It was 1920 by 920 pixels in JPG format. Next, I went back and clicked How to Update the Artist Profile to check the biography requirements. KKBOX states that the biography must be written in English or traditional Chinese, saved as a .txt doc or .docx file, and sent to the same email address. After confirming the requirements, the next step was getting the artist page URL. I opened a new tab and went to kkbox.com. Since KKBOX isn't available in my region, the site displayed a restriction message. To access the site, I edited the URL by removing Intel and replacing it with tw/tc, then refreshed the page. This loads the Taiwanese version of KKBOX. Because the site appears in Chinese, I used the browser's translate option and enabled Hoverkind always translate Chinese so the pages would display in English. From there, I searched for my artist name, opened my artist page from the results, clicked the share icon, and copied the artist page URL. I pasted it into a new tab to confirm it was correct. After confirming the link, I pasted it into the message I had prepared in my notepad. I then opened Gmail, created a new email, went back to the notepad to copy the full message, and pasted it into the email body. After that, I copied the subject line Request to Update Artist Profile, pasted it into the subject field, and added Content Upload at kkbox.com as the recipient. Finally, I attached the profile picture in JPG format and the biography in TXT format. Reviewed everything and sent the email. After submitting the request, I monitored my email. There was no response message, but when I checked the artist page later, the updates had already been applied. The profile picture was updated, and the biography appeared under the introduction section. So keep this in mind. KKBOX may update your artist page without sending a confirmation email, so it's important to check your page directly after submitting a request. And that's how you update your artist page on KKBOX. I've included the support page link and the email address used in this process in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.